Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching As Told by Indi, and on today's video, I'm actually going to do a what's in my bag / packing my bag. So I'm an event coordinator and I have a lot of weddings this season, and so I pack an emergency kit. So here is the emergency kit that I have. It's from Walmart. It was like 60 bucks. So super easy. I actually got it in the arts and crafts section. So it's one of those craft bags. But for us, like for me, it doubles as an emergency kit. So this is my little miniature one that I have right here. And so we're going to do a packing session today. As you can see, I got everything from Walmart, literally all the things from Walmart. I didn't have time to do a Target run, y'all, so forgive me. But the cool thing about emergency kits is it's always something that a bride's going to need. It's always something that a client's going to need. And you just want to make sure you have those things on tap. I will say specifically for some of this stuff is wedding specific, but at the same time, you never know what event you're playing that's going to need these items as well, especially if you're on the talent booking side or if you're on the client facing side. You never know what somebody might need. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Okay, y'all, so this is just a sped up version of me laying out all of my items. I've got some feminine pads, that time of the month. I've got Q-tips, deodorant spray, regular deodorant, bar soap, combs, Q-tips, gloves, Lysol. I have tampons, I've got nail kits, I've got bobby pins, I have a sewing kit, gum, mints, I've got Vaseline, mouthwash, crafty as well, all the things.
All right, y'all, so I've got everything laid out, and we're doing a combination video today of voiceover and, audio over. So these are all the things that I just named in this voiceover that I have. Again, I'm always building. If you guys are event planners or event producers or wedding planners and producers out there, please comment below what I should add, and then let's get into the packing.
So this part is always so fun for me, you guys, because I love organizing things and I love organizing bags and all that good stuff. And so here I'm just taking, like I said, my arts and crafts suitcase. It's not actually a suitcase. It has wheels on it, so I'm calling it a suitcase, but it's an arts and crafts bag. So I'm taking this, taking all the tags off of it, and then just making sure that it's standing up proper for me to begin putting all of my materials in there. Now, the cool thing about the emergency kit is that everybody's emergency kit will be different. So whatever you feel that you're going to need to survive the day for emergencies, I definitely encourage you to put it in your emergency kit bag. For me, like I said, a lot of the items are specific to weddings because I'm in wedding season right now. So I have safety pins and I also have boutonniere pins, right? For you all, you probably, if you don't do weddings or if you don't do any items that require boutonniere pins, I think you should be good. But I do recommend things like safety pins because you never know when you're going to have to use it. Same thing with the items that you never know you're going to need for either talent or yourself. Like I said, feminine pads or tampons or deodorant, things like that. You never know when you're going to need those items. And so I buy in bulk so that I can just do what I'm doing here, which is just grabbing a couple, putting them in a Ziploc bag, and then they should be enough to last me until my next event. I also want to make a note here that your best friend will be gum and mints. I'll tell you guys one thing, you never know when you need gum and mints, and you might be the secret hero of your production or your event for having gum because you have to talk to a lot of different people, especially if you're an event manager or producer. You're very much so client facing and you're also team facing. So you don't want your breath to be funky, y'all. So definitely get your gum and your mints. And then here I am just showing you each item that I'm going to pack up for the remainder of the video.
And that's it. I've got all of what I need. I will say my sisters are in the car, so I'll go grab them and put them in here. And then I've also got my papers and my paperwork, my iPad that I bring with my timeline and everything of the day's events. But all that is in my work bag, but this is mostly where I keep my client items. Well, let me know what you guys think of these types of videos. I love organization and I love doing this type of stuff. So I'm glad I could put it together, and I'm glad I could film it for you guys getting it together. So I'm good to go on all the things, literally on all the things. And then before we go, I will show you guys a video from my view of what it looks like.